All right, these guys from VehicleX sent me these ratchet straps with soft straps to go with them. They come in this nice case, and they are heavy duty. It's probably waterproof here. There you go, baby. So those are your soft straps there. Comes with 4 soft straps. And now for the meat of the product here. Heavy duty. I mean, these things are heavy. Look at the buckles on that thing. So comparatively, look at the size of the hooks here, and say for this here, which is your garden variety strap, that just the hooks alone, you can see the difference there. Not to mention that these things typically fray right across the edge here, and it's not uncommon to see somebody bring a bike in. The straps are frayed and the bike's flopping all over the place, and it only takes one to snap off. You know, cheap insurance, everything's heavy duty on there, the latches. And nice carrying case. That's Velcro enclosures for when you want to put the straps together to keep them neat. So instead of just throwing the straps in there, you can take your little Velcro piece, wrap it around your straps, and be good to go. And they do come with a 3-year warranty.